Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport remote key. This process is quite straightforward and can help you replace a dead battery or access the internal components if needed. You will primarily need a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the emergency key itself. Let's go through the steps carefully to ensure you open your key fob without any damage. The first step is to access the emergency key, which is cleverly hidden within your key fob. Look for a small, often rectangular, release button located on the side or at the bottom of the fob. Press this button firmly, and you will feel the mechanical key blade release. Gently pull this key blade straight out from the fob. This emergency key is crucial for the next step in opening the casing. Now that the emergency key is out, you will see a small notch or slot inside the opening where the key was. Take the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist or pry carefully. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if necessary, but avoid excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob open, you will see the coin cell battery. It's typically a CR2032 or CR2450. Gently pry out the old battery using a small screwdriver. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing upwards. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks, and your key fob is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.